week 2 of our big flip in San Clemente. Holly and Scott McKhann. I'm a realtor in South Orange County, and Scott is a house flipper. So he fixes and renovates a house. Flip means it's all the way sold, and I sell them when they're done. But we're giving you guys behind the scenes and inside the mess of a house that's under construction in San Clemente. So here we are at the front door area. Last week we had to scoot around here, but since that time, Scott has demoed and removed the prior front door, right?
Yeah, the prior front door was over here, and that's demoed and gone. All of this space was not framed before. In the old house, the old design, this was all open to below. So now it's got joists and flooring in it. That area was all reframed to be level because it wasn't before.
Is this going to be our wishing well?
No, this is not a wishing well. This is our future glass elevator.
Ooh, cool. And how many stories will it go to?
It will service 3 stories. I call this the main floor. It's kind of floor number 2, where all the family room, kitchen, dining room is. Down below is most of the secondary bedrooms. And then upstairs is the master bedroom.
Okay. So what else happened this week?
Well, this flooring all got in, and a lot of details. But now we've got some exterior walls standing on the second floor. We have daily adjustments to the floor plan and window sizes and things like that. Over here, this is going to be the dining room. And yesterday I went through it with Holly, and Holly decided she wanted to have a patio sliding glass door here.
Right here.
Whereas before we had a window with a man door.
Just had a little door
and
over
so
here.
we reframed it to have the opening. That beautiful house next door will be part of the view from the dining room.
And this deck is designed completely just so we can have a place for a barbecue rather than have it in the main view deck. So this will be a little barbecue area. And it'll just be better to have the barbecue over there than in obstructing the view.
Yep.
So.
This area over here, you can see this is where the stairs are going to go, both down and up. The stairs will start over there, and you're going to go down to a landing and down to get to the first floor, or come here to a landing, reverse course, and get up to the master. So the stairs are going to go in this shaft right here.
And over here, this was my idea, I think, right? The walk-in pantry. So this is the end of the kitchen, and this will all be walk-in pantry. Who doesn't love a big walk-in pantry?
And we don't have any windows in there, but we'll have skylight to get in lots of natural light.
Yep.
So the dining room is over there. This area is going to be the kitchen with the big L-shaped island. And there'll be 2 sinks, a sink in the island and another sink over by this window over here. The kitchen's going to grow into that area. You can see the big window is kind of framed.
Okay, tell the viewers, what are these things sticking out of the floor and why are they there?
There's going to be hardy frames.
And what's a hardy frame?
A hardy frame is something that resists earthquake motion. If the house is in an earthquake, it resists it. The house was going to end here. And about 6 weeks ago, I decided, wait, I can cantilever the floor out there because I was already cantilevering the floor over there. And I could cantilever it out here and grow the kitchen. And also, the best part is if you look there, it has an amazing view of Dana Point and the coastline and everything, city lights. So the farther you get out in the house, the better the view.
More view, yeah.
View grows. So we grew the kitchen out there just recently.
So this is going to be a solid wall.
It'll be a solid wall here, yeah.
And right here, which presented some design challenges because if you wanted all this open, you couldn't have it open. This has to be a wall. So we are probably going to make this be the kitchen sink and cabinets and lowers. And then over here is the living area. And then this part way out here is going to be outdoor deck. And one thing that I questioned upon seeing progress this week in the plans is there is on the plans a post right here, right?
Right.
And I said, Scott, why is there a post here and then we're going to have windows opening there and then a solid window there. Why wouldn't we just have the whole wall be windows at side open? And he said, oh, that's an interesting point. The reason there was a post is because the house used to end there. And it took some tricky finagling, but he called the structural engineer, civil engineer.
Right.
And they figured out a way to get rid of the post. So this is going to be all big opening windows to just enjoy the view. So that was another development this week. Anything else?
That was yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, the house used to end there. And so that's why, this window always stopped there. But then we grew the house this way, but we never thought about extending the door.
You never thought about it.
I never thought about it.
But I questioned it.
Yep.
So it's all, the moral of that story is it's always great to have a second set of eyes looking at your project whenever you're doing anything, right?
Yep. Absolutely.
Okay, anything else you want to talk about from this week?
No, I mean, we've done more demo over here. Today we did demo. There was a deck and the room extended over there. So this area is going to get a vaulted ceiling roof. You can see over there the plates start to go up, and then the third floor grows. This area in here is going to get a floor and become part of the master bathroom, and then the third floor grows all that distance and direction to the edge of the house and up, and that'll all be part of the master suite. So that'll be in future videos.
Yep, so there you are. There is a summary from week 2. A lot of stuff happening here every day. So,
well, I think you should clarify, it's not really week 2 of construction, it's week 2 of your weekly videos.
Yes. I am so lucky I have a guy to just keep me on track and make sure the truth is spoken. So, week 2 of our series. Yes, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye.